Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change ear tips on your Powerbeats Pro. You have to start by open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Then remove the old ear tips. Here we go. And the second one. Here we go. Now select the new ear tip size. Let's say I prefer this one. And now attach new ear tips. Here we go. And the second one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!